Engineers expected solid rock beneath the dam. Instead, they uncovered layers of ancient river sediment. The foundation was far deeper and more complicated than anyone expected. Millions of tons of concrete needed an immovable base. Loose sediment could not safely carry that enormous weight. The weak ground had to disappear. The solution was brutally simple: dig deeper. Crews removed layer after layer of ancient material. They kept digging until solid volcanic bedrock appeared. The excavation plunged astonishingly deep beneath the river. Workers descended nearly 140 feet below the original channel. At the bottom waited the foundation they had been searching for. Before crews could reach the foundation, they had to defeat the river. Massive cofferdams pushed the Colorado away from the work zone. Only then could the deepest excavation begin. After removing millions of tons of material, engineers reached solid bedrock. The dam could finally rest on a secure foundation. But the real challenge was just beginning. Now came another impossible problem: the concrete itself. More than 3 million cubic yards had to become one massive structure. But fresh concrete generates enormous heat as it hardens. Concrete does not simply dry, it releases heat as it cures. Inside a structure this massive, that heat could remain trapped for decades. Engineers needed a way to cool the dam from within. The engineers turned the concrete into a giant cooling experiment. They embedded networks of pipes throughout the blocks. Cold water carried heat away from the curing concrete. Without controlled cooling, the interior could stay dangerously hot for generations. The pipe network accelerated the cooling process dramatically. The massive concrete blocks could finally become stable. Solid rock was not enough. Water could still find microscopic pathways through its fractures. Engineers sealed those pathways with high-pressure grout. The grout formed an underground curtain beneath the dam. Its purpose was to control seepage through fractured rock. It became another invisible layer of protection. Once the reservoir filled, millions of tons of water pushed against the dam. That pressure also reached deep into the foundation. The engineered rock barrier helped control the water beneath it.
The most important part of Hoover Dam cannot be seen from the surface. Its survival begins with the rock buried beneath it. The invisible foundation became the true masterpiece of the project.